While speaking to newspersons, Kongpress Smriti Wanchan informed that the headman of Nongwar village, Sri Kedyon Dingdo, had gone ahead with illegal construction on the land owned by her and her family. She also stated that her family has been stripped of all rights and privileges as members of the Shnong, where even basic necessities were denied to them.
Ikan tail set leg, bandai terai social work hasno. Tambahin jusin kerteng adu kita kipuan bangas na kata kaying, bangam ay kaying, bangam ay kajaka. Teki pendulut ya kiskim baro hot kat kiba kiyo hapos nong tang ya kaying jonga marway ay. Nrei kipara jonga kiyo. Iyo ita kiskim.